Hi, I'm Dari France, and let's solve today quantity rate time problem. An old computer can do the weekly payroll in 5 hours. A newer computer can do the same payroll in 3 hours. The old computer starts on the payroll, and after 1 hour the newer computer is brought online to work with the older computer until the job is finished. How long will it take both computers working together to finish the job? Assume that computers operate independently. Okay, this is typical quantity rate time problem, and there are formulas we have to use. If Q is a quantity of something produced, in our case it's weekly payroll, T are units of time, R is rate, and we have R equals Q divided by T, rate equals quantity divided by time, and which is the same Q equals RT, quantity equals rate multiplied by time, and what is the same, T equals Q divided by R, time is quantity divided by rate. So we have X is the time in hours both computers work together. So what happened? Firstly, old computer worked alone for 1 hour. Then both computers worked together for X hours and they did all the weekly payroll. So we have that part of payroll done by old computer alone in 1 hour plus part of payroll done by computers working together in X hours equals 1 payroll, weekly payroll. So let's see, what is part of payroll done by old computer alone in 1 hour? We'll use formula that quantity equals rate multiplied by time, and we have old computer can do the payroll in 5 hours, so its rate is 1 divided by 5. And newer computer can do the same payroll in 3 hours, so its rate is 1 divided by 3. And when they work together, old and newer computer, their rate of working together was 1 divided by 5 plus 1 divided by 3, and it equals, denominator will be 15 and numerator will be 3 plus 5, and it equals 8 divided by 15. So, and using formula that quantity equals rate by time, we'll get part of payroll done by old computer alone is rate of old computer multiplied by time it was working alone, 1 hour. Then part of payroll done by computers working together is rate of both computers, 8 divided by 15, multiplied by time they work together, x. So we can write rate of old computer, time it worked alone, plus rate of both computers multiplied by time they work together equals weekly payroll. So we have 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 1 plus 8 divided by 15, x equals 1. Let's multiply both sides of this equation by 15 and we'll get 3 plus 8x equals 15. Let's subtract from both sides 3. We'll have 8x equals 12, and by dividing both sides by 8 we'll get that x equals 1.5. And this is our answer. It will take both computers working together to finish the job 1 hour and a half. But let's do the check. So, part of payroll done by old computer alone in 1 hour is 1 divided by 5 by 1 equals 1 divided by 5. Okay. Then, while old computer worked together with the newer one, it did its rate 1 divided by 5 multiplied by 1 hour and a half, and it equals 1.5 divided by 5. Okay. And the second computer, while they're working together, did its rate is 1 divided by 3. It worked 1 hour and a half, and it did 1.5 divided by 3. And we have, let's add those parts together. 1 divided by 5 plus 1.5 divided by 5 plus 1.5 divided by 3 equals, let's have 5 by 3, it's 15 in our denominator, So we'll have 1 by 3 plus 1.5 by 3 plus 1.5 by 5 and divided by 15 and equals 3 plus 4.5 plus 7.5 divided by 15, and this is 15 divided by 15, which is 1. All parts together do 1. It's all weekly payroll, so it's true, and our answer is x equals 1.5 hours. Okay, that's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye!